Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got something huge for you guys. New codes, all working codes for Slime RNG in June 2026. Roblox Slime RNG codes. All new working codes in Roblox Slime RNG right now. A massive huge giveaway giving away key to everyone. Make sure you watch till the end, because I'm dropping all the working codes you don't want to miss. Today I'm show you all working codes in Roblox Slime RNG in 2026. Everyone like this video and subscribe my channel. So everyone, I'm massive huge giveaway giving away. Please subscribe my channel to make sure watch full video without skipping. Comment your username below. So everyone make sure watch full video without skipping. I'm show you brand new active code in Roblox Slime RNG right now. New working codes. Free rewards and boosts. June 2026 updated codes. Easy redeem tutorial. Everyone make sure watch full video without skipping, because I'm massive huge giveaway to everyone. Please subscribe my channel and comment section type your username below. Ok, now I'm show you all brand new working code step by step. So watch full video without skip. But guys, guess what, I'm Aslo going to go ahead and do a massive giveaway giving each and everyone. WHO's going to ahead and like the video right now. So everyone, I'm massive huge giveaway giving away. Please subscribe my channel to make sure watch full video without skipping end to end. Roblox Slime RNG. So I just want to wish everyone a nice day. May the good Lord protect and bless you all. Okay, let's start the video and enjoy brand new codes. Okay, now I'm show you all working codes in Roblox Slime RNG right now.